Alright, I've got my coaches ready for the school run. Oh, that's excellent, matey. Now, we better rev our engines before we can get going. Oh, hey guys, sorry to bother you all. Oh, there's no need to bother us, Flock Thomas. What brings you here on this fine day? Well, winter has arrived, in the country we live in at least. Yeah, what about it? Well, apparently, it's pretty cold outside. Looks like there's a blizzard. A blizzard, you say? Oh, we don't like the sound of that. It would be really cold if there was a blizzard. Exactly. It would be much better if we were indoors. But we've got to do the school run later, girls. It shouldn't be that much of a problem. Right, matey. This cold weather may cause a bit of problems. Well, I think that, Bertie, I think you and School Bus Salty need to go outside and get your engines warmed up. Outside? Why? Well, I don't know, I thought it would be a nice day to be out, but just as long as the blizzard doesn't affect you. I'll see you guys later. Well, no choice. Come on, Bertie. Alright, School Bus Salty. Catch you later, Thomas. Alright, guys. It'd be a bit cold, matey. I think he's right. Well, I don't see any wind, if you can tell by the hedge. Oh, I think there's a bit of a blizzard coming in. Oh, I think it's starting to get windy. Look, the trees are starting to move. And those ones over there. Oh, well, we better keep ourselves safe. Guys, you're not going to believe what I just found. What is it, Yeti Diesel 10? I see something down there. What is it? Come, I'll show you. Where do you see it? It's right over there in the distance. Oh, that thing? Huh. Surely it can be anything over there. But there's more than that. Come on, follow me. Oh, you better be quick. It's starting to get cold. And it's getting very windy too. And it's like a blizzard. Ah. Oh my goodness! I think I see something! Oh, it can't be! It can't be serious!
Hello, everybody.
I found a mini that's right near the pool on this cold, blistering day! Oh, it looks like a version of Gator.
Yeah, I am a Yeti Gator.
Yeti Gator? From what theme?
From the fantasy fame.
I'm from the same theme too. We could be friends. Wait, aren't you already friends with Flock Thomas? Well, yeah. Well, he'll be pleased that there is another new mini that will be good friends with him. So it's not like you're gonna cheat on him or something. No. I'm not gonna cheat on him. Oh, I was very surprised to see him. Well, how did you find him in the first place? Well, it was a bit of a long story, actually. It all started when I took out the rubbish this morning until I heard a moaning sound. Huh? Who's there? It can't be.
Hello.
Oh, hello to you too. A gator? But what sort of gator are you?
Yeti Gator.
Oh, from what theme?
Fantasy fame.
Oh, I'm from the same theme too. I can't wait to tell the others. So that's how I found Yeti Gator in the first place. Was he in that pipe down there this whole time? Well, that's how I found him. Oh, it's getting cold.
I love the cold. I love the blizzard.
All Yetis love blizzards. Come on, let's go inside and keep ourselves safe. Yeah, we better go inside, mateys, and we've got to get ready to do the school run. Alrighty. Come on, guys. I think you'll be good friends with Flock Thomas when he finds out about this.
Hi, Thomas. It's a bit chilly today.
I know, Paxton. And I've got to get ready to do the school run soon. Hey guys, we're back. Yeah, and we found someone with us. Who is it? Well, it's not me. Yeti Diesel Ted, what are you doing here? Well, I'm not the something. He is.
Huh?
Hello there.
Is that a new Mini?
Yeah, I am Yeti Gator. Well, he is Yeti Gator from the fantasy theme. Well, from the fantasy theme, not from years ago, actually. Huh. Well, it's a good thing that the new fantasy minis have arriving. Yeah.
Well, this means we've only got one more fantasy engine left, and then we've got all of the new fantasy minis from that theme.
Exactly, Paxton. Oh, I wonder how Flock Thomas will react when he sees this guy. Hey guys, did someone call my name? Hello.
Oh, goodness me! Is that a new Snow Mini?
I'm Yeti Gator. Alright. Yeah, he's from the new fantasy theme that was the more recently.
Ah, really? I thought I was your friend. I'm still your friend. Well, I think you'd be good friends with you.
Hello.
Huh. Nice to meet you too, Yeti Gator. I'm Flock Thomas, which came out 4 years ago.
Ah. Well, 4 years ago was 2018, actually.
Well, yeah, I think you three would be good as friends. We'd make a good trio. Hey, let's all do a Tale of Snow event.
Oh yeah, good idea. Then everyone will be able to see the new Gator Mini that's all like a Yeti. I think that sounds like a good idea. We'll be doing the Tale of Snow first thing tomorrow. Oh, can I join too? Of course you can. It'll be great fun. Or then we better get going. Step right up and meet the newest addition to our collection, Yeti Gator from the fantasy theme of 2021. Wow, he looks very cool with these frosty decals. Yeah, I've got ice cream.
Did someone say ice cream? Oh, yeah, that was the new Mini. He's got an ice cream cone decal on his side. Oh, how interesting.
Boy, that's a very cool Mini that's joined the collection. Yeah, I agree. Yeti Gator looks so cool. In fact, he should join our club. Yeah, he should be part of the Snow Club. I think he looks so cool. So, Diesel, did you get all those decorations? Yes, just for this occasion. Even Henry and Toby have all dressed up too. Yep, I've got my gingerbread house costume, and I've got my scarf. Huh, fair enough. And don't forget me, guys, because I've got snow decals, even though I'm from the holiday theme, and it's not Christmas, but it has snow, so I thought, why not join in? Yeah, you can say that again, mate. So, what do you all think of the newest edition?
I think it looks so cool, Thomas. Near is right. I think this is a very cool Mini. And it looks very cool with all these horns.
What did y'all think of my horns?
Your horns look very good on you. I agree. Do all Yetis have horns?
Well, not all of them, but this one has. I gotta say, this Tale of Snow looks wonderful, chaps. Thanks, Harold. Actually, it was it was Block Thomas's idea. He wanted to make the Tunnel of Snow so everyone could see the new mini Yeti Gator. Huh. Is he always meant to be like that? I'm not sure, Ice and Snow Winwood. I think all Yetis are meant to make groaning sounds. Huh. What do you think of this, School Bus Salty? Yeti Gator looks like a good addition to our collection. Indeed, matey. Everyone is making friends with him already. Huh. He looks very cold. I mean, I don't know how cold he was gonna get. I don't know for that for sure, Chillin' Sydney, because he looks very icy. Oh, the indignity. Anything wrong, Chillin' Gordon? Nothing? Just a figure of speech, you know. Hang on. Who's that coming? Who is it, School Bus Salty? Someone is coming! And it's a person! A person? Who? Hello, my engines. What's going on here? Oh, hey sir. We've got a new mini that's joined the collection. Ow. Oh, my goodness me. What sort of mini is that? His name is Yeti Gator, and he's from the fantasy theme. Not the same sort of fantasy as me, but the more recent fantasy theme that came out this year or last year. Forgot. Huh. Well, if that's the case, welcome to the collection. Anyways, what brings you here, sir? I just want to know where you've all gone. I've got to say that this Tunnel of Snow really is a success. It always will be, sir. I think we should do one every year, hosted by the Chillin' Minis. Well, it was my turn to host this time. Huh. Well, I can see why it looks so cool. Oh, I gotta say, this event really is top notch. Oh, it sure is. Cheetah Hero. Was it Leopard Hero? Sorry. Leopard Hero, actually. Oh, my bad. Oh, I really like this towel. I know, it's so comfy. Well, I hope you enjoy your stay in this collection, Yeti Gator. Thanks, guys. I can't wait to explore more about this place. And I hope you'll be a really useful addition to my collection. After all, this isn't not a blizzard at all. Well said, Birdie.